I'm 7'1", my wife.
6'1".
And we have a baby who is also in the 99th percentile of height right now. But I'm pushing the stroller and I realized they don't make strollers tall enough for me.
We should look into this.
So I really can't get my whole hand around the stroller. It's almost just like on the tip of my fingers. Oh, see, and we go off-roading with the baby sometimes. My wife doesn't like that. She can't reach all the way down. It's like if I want to, I sort of have to walk like this. What does that look like, babe? If you just saw me walking by like this?
I'd be like, poor guy. He really needs to think about making his own stroller.
Hey, I got a big baby in here, all right? Ghost ride the whip.
Hell, that won't work.
I don't think my wife liked that one.
No, I don't.
Runaway babies are never a good thing. You just can't push the stroller if you have long legs. Look at this. She kicks the bottom. If she's kicking the bottom, you know I'm punting the bottom. So if there's any stroller brands that want to make taller strollers, want to team up, just let me know. Because otherwise we're ghost riding the whip.
Stop.
Oh, I feel like I'd be good at this job. Just grab them from up there. Just What's it like being 7'1" at Publix? Let's go. Can I step over this? I would say almost 4 feet in the air. Yep. All right, we're good. Be sure to duck. Security, say what's up. Boop. Security boop. Another security boop. Boop. One more security boop. Boop. These are regular carts, but they look like mini carts to me. Those balloons are very high up there. Can I touch the top one? The cool thing about being 7'1" is when you're standing in the aisle, see normal people, you have to go to the other aisles, but for me, I can just see into the other aisles. I need some cereal. I see cereal on 4, but I also need toaster strudel, which seems to be on 15. You guys know what we do. Time for a dust check. Whoop. So when I'm at the fridge, yes, I can see all the stuff up here. Like, I don't know what this is or what that is, but I have to duck a little bit to get into the freezer. If we're walking, we definitely, oh, yep, we hit our heads on the sign. We get bagels, we get bread. Yeah, we can touch the sign up here. Wow, we are at speaker level. But also, let's see, dust check. This guy said, "You're so tall, I'm gonna give you a sample of the seasoning." You can see him over this. Oh, nice. Ooh, that smells good, all right.
That work for you?
Yeah, that works. I bet you don't have people ducking in here much.
Nah, just you.
That's what it's like to be 7'1" in Publix. Yep. Don't hit me, I'll total your car. I'm 7'1", my wife is 6'1", and whenever I do this, it absolutely terrifies her.
Don't start doing the door thing.
Watch it.
Jeez, Bo. Bo.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Bo, get out of there. Get out of there.
Okay.
That's a 6'7" mirror. How are you doing that? Bo. Bo. Oh my gosh.
What? The real question is, what would you do if you just saw me standing above one of your doors like that? I want to hear what you would do below.
How tall are you?
7'1". What's up? It's Bo. I'm 7'1". I got the POV cam. We're going to go to the holiday rush of the grocery store. There should be some very good reactions. To the grocery store during a holiday rush. Hey, it's me. Duck. Hey, make sure you duck again. Boom. Yeah, let's step over that. There we go. This lady's gonna say something, I know it.
I don't believe that.
How tall are you?
7'1". Yeah.
Already know.
4'10". Nice to meet you.
Yes, he can make 3 of you.
Yes. She said, "I'm 4'10". So make sure we can still touch these signs. Yep. Can touch that one. Can we touch this one? Yep. Security guards, what's up? Boop. I love booping security guards. What's up? The security guard wants to be booped too? Boop. So these aisle signs are about 12 feet in the air. Can I touch them? Yes. A little bit of a jump and we can do it, but also we hit our heads on these signs when we're walking through here. not too bad. Oh look, it's Mrs. 410. Have a good one. All right, nice to meet you. Oh, she blew me a kiss. What is it like to be 7'1" in Costco? Oh, excuse me. The pizza is ordered. Now let's fool around until it's ready. See if there's dust on top of the... Oh, so many people. You guys notice how when I walk, people sort of just like spread out? Hey.
I know you.
Yeah, what's up? I'm like, I just did a thing with Lovesac actually. Yeah, I'm like in their new commercial. Good to see you too.
Hey, keep it up.
Thanks, bro. Good thing about being tall though is I can see over everything, and I think we should go check out the Christmas bow. It's like you're flying a drone through Costco. Nope, just a giant human. You guys want any drone shots of your weddings or anything, just hire me and I'll come walk around the wedding. Since the end of September, why not have Christmas decorations, right? This tree is 7.5 feet. I feel like I'm taller than this tree. Maybe I'm actually 7'5". Can I reach the 3rd story or the 3rd level of the Costco shelves? Yeah, I think it's our 10 feet. If you guys want to see me do a video with a 10-foot blanket, put it down below. Here's another thing for scale, by the way. This is a king mattress. Okay, this is how tall I am next to a king mattress. Did you call 548? Awesome, thanks, man. We're headed out. Quick little dust check. It's a little dusty, Costco. I saw that.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing? Thank you. I'm 7'1" and we're going donut shopping. Ladies and gents, we're getting donuts. Oh, hey. Can I get 6 donuts? Yeah.
Can we actually get
yes, let me get...
the pink sprinkles on the chocolate?
Can I get 2 of the chocolate? What was that?
What's that? What glaze?
Oh, the glazed. Are you used to someone talking to you over this? I know. It's like right here. Oh, I just go around recording stuff randomly. Yeah. Yeah. To your son? Yeah, YouTube. So I just like go around to local places and I see like, this is my favorite donut place, and so I'm coming here, doing a little reaction here. Yeah.
Oh,
If you're okay with it.
okay.
Yeah. And what? It's Sarah Donuts, right? Sarah Donuts. There we go. All right. Thank you. See you next time. Sarah Donuts. It's where it's at. How many grocery bags can a 7'1" human carry with 12-inch hands? All right. Let's start it. Oh God. Not the Parmigiano. We got 1. We got 2. We got 3. So the technique for me is to get as many on my palm and then start using the digits. I'm already losing blood circulation, so that's a good sign. 4, 5, 6. Actually, I'm gonna switch to my right hand. All right, so not the Parmigiano again. 7, 8. We can fit a few more in the palm area. Oh, what is this? 9, 10. So we got 10 in this hand right here. I'm gonna start using the digits. 2 iced coffees. Oh my Lord. All right, let's put that on that finger. Got 11, 12. I'm gonna free my pinky under here because we got to put some stuff on the pinky. 13. My wife's gonna kill me. All right, I'm doing a veteran move here. I'm switching hands. All right, 13. Honestly, that's relish. Nobody even likes relish, so I may just leave that there. 14 and then 15. Close it in with the thumb. And ladies and gentlemen, we have 16 bags and 1 juice. Look it. I didn't drop any. 16 bags. Look at that. Oh, sorry. I dropped the relish. Nobody likes relish.
Relish?
Did you get relish?
No.
I think you stole somebody's bag. There was relish.
You mean pesto?
Oh, is that pesto? No, I didn't break it. I hope I didn't break it. Please don't be broken. Oh, it is pesto. The pesto is not broken. There's 17 bags in 1 hand. Hey, can you just say I'm like really proud of you and that's super impressive?
I'm so proud of you. That's
Thanks.
so impressive.
I want to show the people that I'm cool.
You're cool.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
say my husband's the coolest.
So cool.
Can you say my husband's the coolest?
He's the coolest.